Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Robinhood cash account. We'll cover everything from eligibility to funding, ensuring you can start investing with confidence. A cash account offers a straightforward way to trade, avoiding margin and certain day trading restrictions. Let's dive into the process and get your account ready for action. To open a Robinhood cash account, you need to meet a few key requirements. First, you must be at least 18 years old. You'll also need a valid social security number, not a taxpayer identification number. A legal United States residential address is essential, and you must be a U.S. citizen, permanent resident, or hold a valid U.S. visa. Meeting these criteria ensures a smooth application process. The application process is straightforward. Begin by downloading the Robinhood app or visiting their website. You'll then complete an online application, providing your personal details accurately. Next, link your bank account, which is crucial for funding your investments. Finally, you might be asked to submit a photo of your government-issued identification for verification, which helps secure your account. Once your account is approved, it's time to fund it. You can easily deposit money from your linked bank account. Standard transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to settle. However, you might be eligible for instant deposits of up to $1,000, allowing you to start trading sooner. Remember, with a cash account, you trade with settled funds, offering unlimited day trades without margin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.